Welcome to this short video on injecting network failures. In this session, we'll explore how network issues, such as latency, packet loss, and DNS failures can impact distributed systems and microservices. Let's get started. Let's begin by simulating network latency, using the TC traffic control command. This command applies a 200 millisecond delay to all packets sent over the ETH0 interface, allowing us to introduce artificial delays, simulating slow network conditions. You can verify the delay by running network tests commands such as ping command. This command sends 4 ICMP echo requests to the domain motiva.com to check its reachability and measure response times. This helps in diagnosing network issues, monitoring connectivity, and analyzing packet loss or delays. Now, let's look at simulating packet loss, to simulate unreliable network conditions using the netem module command. This command introduces a 10% packet loss, meaning roughly 1 in 10 packets will be dropped, which can severely impact real-time applications like VoIP and video streaming. You can also verify the delay by running network tests commands such as ping. To sends 10 ICMP echo requests to the domain motiva.com to check its reachability and measure response times. Next is simulating DNS failures. We'll modify the hosts file in the etc directory to simulate DNS resolution issues by redirecting a domain to localhost. Trying to access motiva.com in this example, resolve to localhost, effectively breaking its intended functionality. To analyze how these failures impact our applications. This command can be used to observe the logs and response times. It continuously displays new entries added to the myapp.log file in real time. It is commonly used for monitoring application logs, troubleshooting issues, and tracking system activity as it happens. Please note, the myapp.log file used for this demo should be replaced with your file name. To mitigate the aforementioned DNS failures, we can implement retry mechanisms. Strategies implemented in systems to automatically reattempt failed operations due to transient errors, such as network timeouts or temporary service unavailability. Circuit breakers. Fault tolerance mechanisms that temporarily halt requests to a failing service to prevent cascading failures and allow recovery. And fallback strategies. Predefined approaches that ensure continued operation by switching to alternative resources or methods when primary systems fail. Tools like Hystrix or cloud solution services such as AWS Route 53 health checks help ensure continuity. Implementing retry mechanisms. To implement retry mechanisms, the displayed configuration can be used. This allows the application to retry failed requests up to 3 times with a 5-second delay in between. Implementing circuit breakers. To implement circuit breakers, the displayed configuration can be used. This prevents cascading failures by temporarily blocking further requests when failures are detected. To recap, we covered network latency, packet loss, and DNS failures, analyzed their impact, and discussed strategies to mitigate them. We learned how to simulate network failures including latency, packet loss, and DNS failures. We analyzed the impact of these failures on distributed systems and microservices. We explored various mitigation strategies such as retries, circuit breakers, and fallback mechanisms. In conclusion, network failures are inevitable, but how we prepare for them makes all the difference. By proactively testing for latency, packet loss, and DNS failures, you can identify potential bottlenecks before they impact users. Mitigation strategies like retries, circuit breakers, and fallback mechanisms ensure your systems remain resilient under adverse conditions. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thank you for watching.